Right now, in 2025, the market is louder and more competitive than ever. New product businesses are popping up literally every single day. And if you aren't actively standing out in front of your ideal customers, you're blending in. And when you blend in, you lose sales and you lose money. So let me ask you this. Do your products look or sound similar to your competitors? Are you struggling to make customers choose you over the next option? Do people often say, "I love your stuff, but I'll think about it," and then you never see them again? If so, you're sadly not alone. But here is the good news. Because the key to standing out is not about having the best product. It's about having the best positioning. And in today's episode, I am going to break down exactly how you can differentiate your business, create a brand, and make customers choose you every single time. And of course, I've included action steps as we go through the episode so that you can get amazing results. Hello and welcome to the Abundant Business Podcast. I am your host, Samuel Chapman, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure that you do so that you never miss an episode. I am here to help you to attract more of your perfect customers, boost your sales, and build unshakable confidence in all of your business decisions. So check out the links underneath this episode where you'll find my brand new book, Sell Smarter, Not Harder. Proven strategies to get your products seen and sold. Plus, while you're down there, I've got loads of extra freebies too to help you every single step of the way of your business journey. Now, let's talk about how the 5 ways you can change your business so that you stand out from your competitors. Because once you do, your customers will start choosing you. Sales will increase and your business will finally feel like it's growing and becoming the business that it deserves to be. So step 1 is all about defining your unique value proposition. It's why customers should choose you. This is the one thing that makes you different from anybody else in your industry. Sadly, there are so many businesses that don't do this, and that is a problem. Because if you don't define what your unique selling point is, your customers will just assume that you're the same as everybody else. And we don't want that, do we? So here is an example, right? This is a weak unique selling point. We sell handcrafted soy candles. A strong unique selling point would be we create mood-enhancing, toxin-free candles designed to reduce stress and help you sleep better. Do you see the difference? One is generic, the other is memorable and specific. So I want you to have a think about what makes your product and your business unique. Is it the ingredients you use, the quality, the sourcing, or the customization that you might have available? What problem do you solve better than anybody else? Can you give faster results, deeper benefits, or added perks? What emotional connections does your product create? I'm talking about the way your customers feel after they've bought from you. If you can't answer these clearly, neither can your customers, and that needs to change as quickly as possible. Step 2 is all about creating a signature offer so that you actually become known for something. I want you to think about this. Starbucks has the pumpkin spiced latte. Lush has their iconic bath bombs. Apple has the iPhone. So what is your signature product? What is the thing that makes people instantly think of when it comes to your business? If you're currently trying to sell everything to everybody, you are simply diluting your brand. The businesses that grow the fastest and are the most successful are the ones that own one specific thing. So let's say you sell skincare. Instead of just offering a bunch of products, you create a signature glow bundle. And this is a 3-step system that gives your customers radiant skin in 7 days. Because you know your ideal customer wants to have more youthful, glowing skin. This product can become your signature offer. It's what people recommend. It's what they talk about. And it's what they recognize you for. So take a look at your product lineup. What products get you most of your customers' love and attention? What gets the most engagement when you post about it? What gets the most repeat purchases? Now consider how you can turn that into your signature offer. Step 3 is build a brand experience that customers simply can't forget. Standing out isn't just about what you sell. It's about how you make people feel. So here's how you can create a brand experience that customers simply love. The first is with your packaging and the unboxing experience. Does your product arrive in a way that feels special? Do you include branded tissue paper, handwritten thank you notes, or QR codes leading to a personalized thank you video? These are all amazing ways to help you get a deeper connection with your customers and show them just how much you appreciate their business. The next is with brand personality. Does your website, your emails, and your social media posts all feel like they're coming from the same person? Because if not, you need to understand this better and make sure that your brand voice is used consistently across literally everything. The next is customer journey. What happens after somebody buys from you? Do they just receive their product, or do they get a follow-up series? Do they get an invite to a VIP status? Do they get a surprise gift on their next purchase? What are you doing to really show your customers that you are the business that they should be doing business with? Step 4 is how to use your brand storytelling to create an emotional connection. And I can't say this enough. People don't just buy products. They buy stories. Think about Nike. They don't just sell shoes. They sell empowerment. They sell grit. They sell the mindset of champions. So how do you tell a powerful brand story? We want you to start by sharing your why. What inspired you to start your business in the first place? What do you believe in? Talk about your struggles. People connect more when they see the human side of your business, especially when you're a small business. Then we want to make your customers the hero and show how your product changes their lives, not just what it does. If you sell handmade jewellery, instead of saying, "We make beautiful necklaces," say, "Every necklace in our collection is inspired by ancient symbols of protection, designed to remind you of your strength, courage, and inner power." Imagine that. This makes it more than just a product. This is a feeling. So write out a short paragraph about why your business exists beyond just making sales. How does it impact your customers on a deeper emotional level? Step 5 is about creating a category of one. Compete where nobody else is competing, because most businesses out there are desperately trying to compete on price and features, which means they're all fighting for the same customers, and guess what? They're all losing. Instead of trying to join in that and compete on the same playing field, we want you to move to a new field where you are the only option. You can do this by positioning yourself differently. Don't just sell eco-friendly cleaning products. Sell luxury, organic cleaning solutions that smell like high-end perfumes. Don't just sell handmade soap. Sell historically inspired soaps using recipes from ancient Egypt. Focus on your niche. Instead of trying to sell to everyone, be the best option for a specific type of customer. Instead of candles for everyone, make candles for meditation, candles for mindfulness. When you're the only one doing what you do, customers have no choice but to choose you. especially if you can show them that you're doing it well. So what category can you create where you are the best, most unique option available? Consider how you can narrow your focus and serve a more specific type of customer. Now, let's recap today, because we have defined your unique selling proposition. So you're making it clear why you are different. Then we have created a signature offer where you're going to own the one thing that people remember you for. You've built a memorable brand experience, so people rave about you. You've used brand storytelling to create an emotional connection. And you've become a category of one, so nobody else can compete with you. Now it's up to you to take action. Pick one of these steps and implement it today. And then let me know which one you're taking action on so I can cheer you on. Send me a DM on Instagram at ProductCoachSam. Now, if you loved this episode, please screenshot it and share it on your Instagram stories and tag me. I am on a mission to help as many small business owners have their biggest and brightest year in business. And I can only do that if you share this podcast with anyone who you think will benefit from it. Don't forget to grab your free resources in the link below, and I will see you next time on the Abundant Business Podcast. Have a great day.